Hello guys, good morning. You're again in Sermia's garden. And for today's update and for today's video is I just want to share with you the one that I propagated. This is one of the varieties and cultivars of Pothos plant which I really love the most. This is called the Enjoy Pothos plant. So for today's video is I just want to share the one that I know about Pothos. So Pothos plants are fast-growing indoor climbing plants. This is one of those plants that are considered lucky charm, feng shui, vastu, and money magnet plant if you really take care of this plant so excellently. So what are Pothos plant? Pothos, also known as Syndaptus or Devil's Ivy, is at home anywhere indoors. You can plant this anywhere you want. You can put and place this. That will serve as lucky charm anywhere in the portion of your house except in the west portion. So this can also be considered hanging or climbing plants. This house plant with its distinctive heart-shaped leaves instantly makes the space even more beautiful. The one that I have here guys is already trailed. So this is the side portion view of my Pothos. In here guys, I also have my golden Pothos. For the colors and shapes, Pothos have gorgeous heart-shaped satin texture leaves. It grows in silver, pale green, and golden varieties, and some have white spots or flame pattern. The leaves grow from long tendrils that you can train around doorways, up walls and across ceiling, or you can leave to hang down from a high up plant pot. So it means there are multiple possibilities when it comes to your interior plant design. If you want to consider this as your centerpiece table, the better. Hanging plant is also a good choice. And what I really love about this plant, because this plant has its unique symbolism. So Pothos is also known as a lucky plant that helps to bring its owner wealth and good fortune. Yes. So don't hesitate to buy this plant for anyone who could do with a financial windfall, and that includes yourself. So what's the origin of this Pothos? Pothos is a member of the Ariaceae family. It grows in Southeast Asia, particularly Indonesia, and common on the Solomon Islands. In the tropical rainforest, the plant is a rich source of food for animals, including lizards and other reptiles. The Latin name Epipremnum pinnatum is derived from the Greek word epi, which means on, and primnon, Greek for stem. This is because the plant grows up stem or trunk of the trees. So there you have it guys. This is just simply an introduction, and I hope you've learned a lot from this blog. Thank you so much. Until next time, God bless us all. Enjoy the rest of your day.